Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a bike that's been making waves even before hitting the streets, the 2026 Honda Magna. This is one of those motorcycles that perfectly balances style, performance, and comfort, making it ideal for riders who want something versatile but with a serious attitude. So, let's jump right into it and see what makes the 2026 Honda Magna stand out. Starting with the design, Honda has given the Magna a completely modern and muscular look while keeping the classic cruiser feel. The bike features a low-slung stance, aggressive lines, and a wide, comfortable seat that immediately says it's built for long rides. The fuel tank is sculpted in a way that flows beautifully with the bike's overall bodywork, and the chrome accents add a premium touch without being too flashy. The LED headlight is sharp and futuristic, giving it excellent visibility while riding at night, and the taillight is sleek, adding to that modern cruiser aesthetic. Overall, the 2026 Honda Magna is a bike that turns heads, whether you're cruising downtown or on an open highway. Moving on to the engine and performance, this is where the Magna truly shines. Honda has equipped it with a powerful V4 engine, producing impressive torque that's perfect for both city riding and highway cruising. The engine is tuned to provide a smooth, linear power delivery, so you never feel overwhelmed, even if you twist the throttle aggressively. The bike comes with a 6-speed transmission that shifts effortlessly, and Honda has also tuned the exhaust note to be deep and satisfying without being intrusive. Whether you're accelerating through city traffic or opening it up on the highway, the Magna delivers a ride that's both thrilling and manageable. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Magna surprises with its agility. Despite being a cruiser, it feels light and responsive thanks to the refined chassis and suspension setup. The front telescopic forks and rear dual shocks are tuned for comfort and stability, absorbing bumps and giving you confidence on longer rides. The bike also features modern braking technology, including ABS as standard, ensuring safety without compromising performance. Inside the cockpit, Honda has focused on rider comfort and information. The instrument cluster is fully digital, showing speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, and even a fuel efficiency meter. The handlebars are ergonomically placed, and the footpegs are positioned for a relaxed riding posture, making those long weekend rides more enjoyable. The seat is plush, and the pillion gets enough space to sit comfortably, which is a big plus for riders who often carry a passenger. Technology and safety are also key highlights of the 2026 Honda Magna. Aside from ABS, the bike comes with traction control, which is a fantastic addition for tackling slippery roads or sudden changes in weather. The lighting system, as mentioned, is fully LED, offering better visibility and energy efficiency. Honda has also integrated a smart ignition system that ensures a quick and reliable start every time. Price-wise, the 2026 Honda Magna is positioned in a competitive segment for premium cruisers. While it may cost slightly more than some standard cruisers, the value comes from the combination of Honda reliability, advanced tech, and that unmistakable Magna styling. Compared to rivals, it offers a fantastic package of performance, comfort, and features that justify every penny. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 Honda Magna? Simply put, it's a cruiser that manages to balance classic charm with modern technology. It's comfortable for daily rides, powerful enough for highway adventures, and stylish enough to stand out anywhere you go. Honda has created a bike that appeals to both new riders looking for a reliable cruiser and seasoned riders seeking performance and comfort in one package. If you're someone who loves motorcycles with character, performance, and long-term reliability, the 2026 Honda Magna should definitely be on your radar. It's a bike that delivers fun, style, and confidence in every ride, making it one of the most exciting cruisers of 2026. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Honda Magna, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle reviews, and comment down below what you think about this amazing cruiser. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.